Hi everyone. For the given functions f and g, which we have here, this is our first problem we're going to do. We're going to do two problems in this video. We have to find f of g of 4, g of f of 2, f of 1, and g of 0. So we're going to get started, and you might want to keep in mind these are the two problems we're going to do. And since this is part 3, I'm going to shorten this a bit and write the first one automatically as f of g of 4. Now this is our inner function. You start with that. So this is going to be f, and everywhere there's an x, you put the 4, which is going to be f of 1 over 17. Now f of 1/17 is going to be the absolute value of 1 over 17, which equals 1 over 17. Okay, the second one we have is g of f of 2. So we do the inner function first. So f of 2 would just be, we're going to do g, and f of 2 is going to be the absolute value of 2, which is just 2. And then you do g of 2, which you get 1 over 2 squared plus 1, which equals 1 over 5. C, we have f of 1, which is f. We can write it this way. So we're just going to do f of 1, which equals f of the absolute value of 1, which just equals f of 1. And you plug it in again, you get the absolute value of 1, which equals 1. And the last one, we have g of 0. So that's going to be g of 1 over 0 squared plus 1, which just equals g of 1. So which equals 1 over 1 squared plus 1, which equals 1/2. Okay, the second problem we're going to do is this one. We're going to do f of x equals absolute value of x minus 2, and g of x equals 3 over x squared plus 2. So the first thing we're going to find is f g of 4. Start with your inner function. So we're going to do f, and g of 4 is going to be 3 over 4 squared plus 2. And this equals f of 3 over 18. And you plug it in. Here you're going to f of, I'm going to reduce that as 1/6. So that's going to be absolute value of 1/6 minus 2, which is the same as saying 1/6 minus 12 over 6, which equals absolute value of negative 11 over 6. Absolute value of negative 11 over 6 is just equal to 11 over 6. Okay, the next one, we have g f of 2. So we get g of absolute value of 2 minus 2, and absolute value of that, which is going to be g of 0. And g of 0 is just going to equal 3 over 0 squared plus 2, which equals 3/2. Okay, the last two is c. C, we have f of 1, which equals f of absolute value of 1 minus 2, which equals f of 1, which equals absolute value of 1 minus 2, which equals the absolute value of negative 1, which equals 1. And the last one is g of 0 Alright, so this is going to be g of 3 over 0 squared plus 2, which equals g of 3 halves, which equals 3 over 2 squared plus 2, which equals 3 over 9 fourths plus 2, which equals 3 over 9 fourths plus 8 fourths, which equals 3 over 17 fourths. And remember, you can bring this 4 up, so which equals 12 over 17. And that's all. We're going to do one more set, which is called Part 4. Thank you. Have a very nice day. Bye-bye.